Hello to my flock, guys. Full-time Castleford Tigers, 12. OKR, 13. We lost by a drop goal at the Mendo's Jungle tonight. A lot of positives tonight, but they are. But the big negatives. Same again, like against Wigan. We gave silly penalties and it was away. And just kept panicking on Hull KR try-line. So yeah, but the positives are that we nearly won the game again. Like against Wigan, we nearly won Wigan, but yeah, Hull KR was a point in front of the Tigers. But yeah, we defended really well. Yeah, and just really unlucky with the drop goal for Hull KR. And again, we nearly won the game against OKR, like we nearly won against Wigan, the best team in Super League right now, Wigan. But yeah, just so proud of the lads tonight again. And we play St Helens on the Friday, the 5th of July at St Helens at 8 p.m. kickoff. So yeah, but please subscribe and like to see some more. And bye guys, bye. Castleford Tigers. Come on, you thoughts. Bye guys, bye.